Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to draw Hawkodile from Unikitty. What we're going to use is a pencil and a marker. So I want you to take your pencil first and we're going to use it to draw the rough lines of Hawkodile quickly. So follow with me. I'm going to start with the glasses. So I'm going to draw a straight line. You can follow me, a straight line like this. Good. And then we're going to do the dark glasses. Two round semicircles like that, and we're going to use a little bit of a light reflection right there. And now from here we can actually start drawing the face of Hawkodile. So I'll draw a line down, and on this side I'm going to draw another line a bit longer. There we go. And I'm going to connect the bottom line and I'm going to connect the top line. So be careful, so it will about reach to there. So we're going to draw the top line like that. Great. The side of Hawkodile's face, two lines and connect them. You can make it a bit wider as well. So that's why we draw with a pencil. If we make a mistake, we can always rectify our mistake and it's not that bad. Good. A neck. There we go. And now for the body. Now the body is a bit larger, a bit more wider than the head. So I'm going to draw it right about there, and from here, roughly there. And I'm going to stop. We're going to draw two lines down, one on either side, each side, right like that. Great. And we're going to connect it back like that. And there's a circle, and let's close it up here in the neck area as well. We're going to draw a line down, on the other side another line down, and we're going to draw three horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3 horizontal lines for the chest area. The mouth. Now Hawkodile looks pretty serious, so there's a mouth for us, and then we can just draw another line like that. Great. I want us to draw the arms. So I want you to start on this side. We're going to draw a little line up, and you're going to draw another line out like that, just like that. Good. And from here, about here in the middle, you're going to draw another line down like this, and then on the other side we're going to keep roughly about the same distance. You're going to draw another line down like that as well, and we're going to just connect it like this. And then from here I want you to draw feathers. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, there we go. And then on top of the shoulder we're going to actually draw feathers as well. There's 1, 2, and then you're just going to connect it back like that. Great. At the bottom, a square. There we go, there's a square, and a boxing glove. Yeah, there's a big boxing glove. You can draw that line, and then from here you can just take it around like this, and there's a boxing glove. For the other arm, let's continue. Draw a line a little bit up like this, and straight line. And now we're going to bring it down roughly about the same height or the same distance, and I'm just going to bring a line back like this, and then I'm going to connect them. There's the other arm. The feathers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The square, there we go with the square, great. And then let's not forget the boxing glove. The thumb, and then from there, the glove itself. Perfect. And then on top of the shoulder, the feathers. So there's 1, 2, and we're just going to make 3. So you see it looks a bit different, but that's okay. The side of the chest, you can just draw a square up like this. There's the side of the chest. From here I want you to measure about the feet, the height of where the feet will stop. So I would say I think the feet will stop roughly about this height. So I'll just draw a light line, a guiding line for me, and you can do the same as well. And then from here you're going to draw a line, and it's widening out, and it's coming roughly to the bottom of the glove. Good. And then on this side we're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to draw a line down and it's going to stop about the same height as this one. Great. And that's going to be the legs. And then I want you to draw a straight line through about this distance, and from here that would be the top of the pants, and then from here, right here in the middle, I think I would just draw a horizontal short line like that. Good. We're going to bring it straight down to the ground, straight down till you touch the ground. And now for the feet, little line out like this and connect it. And on this side we're going to do the same thing, a line out like this, and we're going to connect it. That's perfect. And then for the toes, 1, 2, and on this side the same as well, 1, 2, and there's the toes. What we can draw now is maybe just a little circle here on the cuff and one there as well. Great. And let's draw another light reflection there as well. And there we go. There is Hawkodile. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to go over the lines. And you can correct where you feel it's necessary to correct. So let's begin. And the last thing, we need to draw the boots as well. What we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 straight lines like this. Great. And then beneath that I want you to draw another line and a last one. So 3 lines like this. And let's color in his pants. And there we have Hawkodile. Thank you for drawing with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.